Let's crochet the ears of cat with yellow yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring to work 3 single crochet for round 1, totally 3 stitches. Left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, and loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your finger. Insert hook into this loop. Pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Slip off the magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring. Yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So this is 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 2 more times to work 3 single crochet. The second single crochet. 3. See 3 stitches. If you have more than 3 stitches, undo them until you count 3 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 3 increase, totally 6 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Put the yarn tail on hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide them. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert hook into the same stitch and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet. In the same stitch, equal 1 increase. So now we got 1 increase. See 2 stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 2 single crochet to make 1 increase. Got 2 increase. See 4 stitches. Repeat with 1 increase. Now we have finished totally 6 stitches for round 2. We can count the stitches together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the piece inside out to the front side. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch. Insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we have finished round 2. For round 3, we need to work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 9 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finish 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. See 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finish 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 1 single crochet first and 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Finished 1 earpiece. We need to crochet another earpiece in the same way. Finish the ears of the cat.